Hey guys, it's Matt with Susquehanna Ford. In today's video, I'm very excited to tell you that the Ford F-150 order banks are open. We've been waiting a long time for the 2023 order banks to open, being that the 22s didn't really last too long. Now, if you guys have been following along to the channel, you know that we've been uploading a ton of videos on the brand new F-150 content, how you can get onto our order banks, even some videos on exactly how we walk you through the process. In today's video, the biggest point of this is to let you know that the order banks are open and to thank all of you for following along on our wait list. I've been calling people all day yesterday and even today, but we wanted to release this video, talk about what to expect with the order banks being opened, and how next time you can be added to that inquiry list and make sure that you get your order placed right away. Now, it's been a lot of fun the past day. Connor and I have been calling and talking to a lot of you guys, and I wanted to say thank you for everyone that was on the inquiry list and all the phone calls that we did receive. Now, the inquiry list and what we did to set that up was we got all sorts of folks from throughout the country to basically get on our pre-order list. We got all of your names, information, phone numbers, and some of the builds that you wanted. That way on day one, we can call you on the exact trim, the exact truck, and the exact vehicle that you'd like to place the order for. Now, throughout this past day when the order banks were open, what we saw were a ton of the newer models being ordered. Now, when I say that, we talked a lot in the past few videos about the Heritage and the Rattler Edition, and I will say by far those are probably the two most popular that we ordered, followed closely by the Tremor F-150. If you guys have been following along, you know that we have a video on that as well. I absolutely love those trucks, and it's pretty neat because you can actually get them in a very short amount of time. Now, what's cool about the 23s is although there was a little bit of a price increase, we are still locking in your pricing, making sure we do everything by the book to get you the exact truck for a great price. Now, if you guys want to follow along to the channel, make sure that you stay tuned for all the Ford model lineups to be available for release. Definitely click the description down below where you can find my information as well as the information to the store and exactly how you can get added onto that list. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it was a little bit quick, but we've got to jump off this, jump on some more phone calls, and get some more of these F-150 orders placed. Until next time, I'm Matt from Susquehanna Ford, and I'll catch you on the next one.